Hello students, welcome all of you. In last lecture, we have started the topic vertical circular motion, in which let's consider when an object tied to the string and when we revolve it vertically, it performs vertical circular motion along this circumference of circle. Let capital A is the top position of particle while capital B is the bottom position of particle and capital C is the midway position of particle. Here we have calculated the velocities VA at top position, VB at bottom position and VC at midway position. These velocities are VA is equal to velocity at top minimum velocity with which that object can perform vertical circular motion at top position is equal to under root RG. Minimum velocity of object to perform the vertical circular motion at bottom position is VB is equal to under root 5 RG and minimum velocity of object at midway position with which that object can perform vertical circular motion VC is equal to under root 3 RG. Now from this we can conclude that the velocity of object is maximum at bottom position while it is minimum at topmost position. Now in this lecture we are going to calculate the tension in the string at top position, at bottom position and at midway position. Also we are going to calculate the tension difference at top position and bottom position. Now first let's consider the tension at bottom position. Now when the object is at bottom position, the tension in the string is TB. At this position, the tension in the string has to provide the required centripetal force. Also, this tension has to balance the weight of object mg. Therefore, at bottom position, we can write TB, tension at bottom, is equal to centripetal force, required centripetal force at bottom position is equal to m VB square upon R plus the weight of object. ज्यावेळेस ऑब्जेक्ट बॉटम पोझिशनला असेल त्यावेळेस स्ट्रिंगमध्ये जे टेन्शन असेल ते टेन्शन काय करेल, रिक्वायर्ड सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स पण प्रोव्हाइड करेल अँड आणखी तो काय बॅलन्स करेल, इट बॅलन्सेस द वेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट बिकॉज द वेट इज डायरेक्टेड इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Therefore, we can write TB is equal to m VB square upon R plus mg. Now, we can put the value of VB, that is velocity at bottom position, which is equal to under root 5 RG. Therefore, TB, tension at bottom position, is equal to m into VB square. But what is the VB? VB is equal to under root 5 RG. Therefore, VB square is equal to 5 RG. 5 RG divided by R plus mg. Now this R at get cancel. Therefore TB is equal to this 5 mg plus mg. 5 mg plus mg. Therefore TB, tension at bottom position, is equal to 5 mg plus mg is equal to 6 mg. This is the tension, minimum tension in the string when the object is at bottom position. Now we are going to calculate the tension at top position. Now second, what is the tension at top position? TA is equal to, now when the object is at top position, ज्यावेळेस object top position ला असेल त्यावेळेस weight of the object is directed toward the center. Also the tension is directed toward the center TA. Therefore the tension in the string and the weight of the object both balances the tension. Therefore when the object is at topmost position, then the required centripetal force is balanced by tension in the string and the weight of the object because the weight of the object is directed toward the center of circle. Therefore at this position we can write TA is equal to m VA square upon R minus mg, because when the mg in this side becomes plus mg, therefore tension आणि weight दोन्ही एकत्रित काय प्रोव्हाइड करतील, रिक्वायर्ड सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स प्रोव्हाइड करतील. ठीक आहे. देअरफॉर वी कॅन पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ VA स्क्वेअर. व्हॉट इज द VA, वेलोसिटी ॲट topmost position, minimum velocity VA is equal to under root RG. Therefore we can write m इंटू व्ही ए स्क्वेअर अंडर रूट आर जीचा स्क्वेअर केला तर काय येईल आर जी डिवायडेड बाय आर. दिस आर आर गेट कॅन्सल मायनस एम जी. Therefore finally TA is equal to tension at bottom is equal to mg minus mg or which is equal to 0. Therefore tension at topmost position is equal to 0. टॉपमोस्ट पोझिशनला टेन्शन किती येते त्या स्ट्रिंगमधलं 0. बॉटममोस्ट पोझिशनला टेन्शन किती येते 6 mg. देअरफॉर टेन्शन डिफरन्स ॲट टॉपमोस्ट पोझिशन अँड बॉटममोस्ट पोझिशन टेन्शन डिफरन्स TB minus TA is equal to what is TB 6 mg minus what is TA 0. Therefore TB minus TA is equal to 6 mg. This is the tension difference in the string when the object is at bottommost position and topmost position. हा जो 6 mg हा काय असेल त्या स्ट्रिंगमधला टेन्शन डिफरन्स असेल की ज्यावेळेस ऑब्जेक्टच्या दोन पोझिशन आपण कन्सिडर केलं आहे, एक बॉटम मोस्ट पोझिशन कन्सिडर केली आणि एक टॉप मोस्ट पोझिशन कन्सिडर केली, तर त्या स्ट्रिंगमध्ये जो टेन्शन डिफरन्स असणार आहे तो किती असणार आहे 6 mg. नाउ व्हॉट इज द टेन्शन इन द स्ट्रिंग वेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ॲट मिडवे पोझिशन. मिडवे पोझिशनला ज्यावेळेस ऑब्जेक्ट असेल त्यावेळेस स्ट्रिंगमध्ये टेन्शन किती असेल. नाउ ॲट मिडवे पोझिशन the weight of the object is directed toward the downward direction. Therefore the required centripetal force काय असणार आहे की तो ऑब्जेक्ट बाहेर जाईल त्याला आपल्याला ते ऑर्बिटमध्ये धरून ठेवायचं आहे, त्यासाठीचा जो फोर्स असणार आहे तो कोण प्रोव्हाइड करेल. ओनली टेन्शन इन द स्ट्रिंग. Therefore at midway position we can write tension in the string is equal to only centripetal force mvc square upon r. But what is vc? Vc is equal to under root 3 rg. We can put this value in this equation. Therefore Tc is equal to m into Vc square. Vc is the under root 3 rg. Therefore Vc square is equal to 3 rg divided by r. This r get cancel. Therefore tension in the string at midway position Tc is equal to 3 mg. 3 into m into g. Now we can calculate the tension difference at bottom position and midway position as TB minus TC is equal to what is TB 6 mg and TC is equal to 3 mg. 6 mg minus 3 mg. Therefore TB tension at bottom minus tension at midway is equal to 3 mg. 6 mg minus 3 mg, it remains 3 mg. This is the tension difference in the string when the object is at bottommost position and midway position. ठीक आहे. आपल्याला यामध्ये रिक्वायर्ड गोष्टी काय काय महत्त्वाच्या आहेत. टेन्शन इन द स्ट्रिंग when the object is at bottommost position is 6 mg. Tension in the string when the object is at topmost position is equal to 0 because we have considered that the required centripetal force is provided by only the weight of the object. त्या दोघांमधला टेन्शन डिफरन्स TB minus TA is equal to 6 mg and TC tension in the string at midway position is equal to 3 mg. The tension difference at bottom position and midway position is equal to 3 mg.